Roberts 7250 Cork Underlayment Adhesive is recommended for the installation of acoustical cork underlayment rolls or sheets. It's a latex-based adhesive with a strong initial grab and good tack for faster, more efficient installations. 7250 has a moisture vapor emission rate of 5 pounds and an RH of 80%. Covering up to 190 square feet per gallon depending on trowel type, substrate, and installation conditions, it has an open time of up to 60 minutes and a working time of up to 90 minutes. 7250, like most adhesives manufactured by Roberts, are the only adhesives to include microbrand antimicrobial technology, providing around-the-clock product protection from the growth of stain and odor-causing microbes including bacteria, molds, and mildews. For further assurance of the effectiveness and quality of our products, we offer a 2-year shelf life when installed in accordance with the printed specifications performed by industry-certified professional installers.